Our brains are wired to seek novelty and stimulation. Someone a little different or harder to pin down provides that. What does it mean exactly? How can I use this to make a woman fall in love with me? Unlocking her heart, the power of novelty and mystery. Welcome to your journey with Love Map Premium. Hello, it is a pleasure to guide you through this essential topic. Your query touches upon a fundamental truth in human psychology. Our brains are naturally wired to crave novelty and stimulation. When a man embodies this quality by being slightly different or harder to pin down, he triggers a powerful subconscious response in women. This approach moves beyond simple attraction into deep emotional bonding. Let us explore what this means exactly and how you can apply these principles using the Love Map traffic light framework to make her fall in love with you. Understanding the core concept, what does it mean exactly? The brain's quest for novelty. Our brains possess a natural mechanism known as the reticular activating system, RAS, which filters information and seeks patterns that offer new stimulation. When someone is too predictable, the brain may categorize them as known data, reducing emotional engagement. Conversely, when you are harder to pin down, you maintain an element of mystery that keeps her curiosity alive. Being different. This means you do not rely solely on routine interactions, but introduce fresh perspectives, spontaneous gestures, and unique insights into your life. Creating distance and curiosity. By allowing moments of space between communication or actions, you prevent emotional saturation. This distance allows her mind to fill in the gaps with positive imagination. Key insight. Instead of chasing attention through constant availability, allow emotional investment to grow naturally and reciprocally. Your unpredictability signals high value, prompting her to invest more deeply. Applying the Love Map, a step-by-step guide. Leveraging the traffic light framework. To make a woman fall in love using this concept of novelty, we will utilize specific phases of the Love Map Premium version. The traffic light relationship framework is perfectly suited for this goal, as it manages attraction through emotional dynamics. We will focus primarily on the green light phase, which is dedicated to creating curiosity and attraction. Step 1, sparking curiosity, the green light. In this phase, your goal is to spark curiosity and attraction before deep emotions fully settle. Focus on interaction that feels interesting, fun, and slightly mysterious, rather than purely functional. Action. Introduce variety in communication styles and environments. I've been thinking about us. Shows ongoing reflection. Can we talk about what happened? Invites shared meaning. I miss talking to you. Expresses genuine longing without pressure. Step 2. Encouraging mutual effort. Real effort involves emotional openness or vulnerability. When she responds to your novelty, ensure the relationship rebuilds gradually, rather than returning immediately to full intensity. Action. Respond warmly and stay calm when she makes contact. Avoid punishing her emotionally during transitions. Allow the rhythm of attention to emotion to distance to curiosity to flow naturally. Step 3. Maintaining ongoing attraction. Sustainability is key to long-term love. Relationships often lose attraction when dynamics become too predictable or one-sided. Your behavior must adapt depending on which phase you are in to maintain a healthy emotional rhythm. Action. Cultivate mutual respect and ongoing attraction through consistent yet varied engagement. Ensure the cycle of connection remains active without becoming stagnant. The biggest mistake, avoiding predictability, traps common pitfall in relationship. The most significant mistake men make when trying to make a woman fall in love is overinvesting too early. Many individuals attempt to solve all problems and provide constant reassurance immediately, which can inadvertently reduce their own mystery. When you become overly accessible or predictable, the brain may perceive you as safe but unexciting. Solution. Strategy. Embrace strategic unpredictability. Do not share every thought or feeling instantly. Allow space for her to wonder about your thoughts and feelings. Focus on natural growth. Instead of chasing attention aggressively, allow emotional investment to grow naturally and reciprocally. This ensures that attraction remains vibrant over time. Love Map integration, utilizing specific phases. Applying the green light phase for deep connection. Since your goal is directly related to making a woman fall in love through novelty, we will explicitly apply the Love Mapped traffic light framework. This specific phase helps you maintain emotional balance and mutual respect. How to use. When initiating contact or reconnection, operate within the green light mindset. Prioritize creating interest over immediate problem solving. Subconscious programming. Use subliminal messaging in your interactions by consistently reinforcing themes of growth and shared potential. This aligns with her subconscious desire for a partner who offers continuous stimulation, personal advice, and golden rules. Simple rule to remember. Be the mystery you seek. Do not rush to define yourself completely. Let your actions speak through moments of thoughtful silence and surprise. Key truth for success. Attraction thrives on distance. The space between interactions is where imagination grows, turning casual interest into lasting love. G. Creo. Golden rule. Invest in emotional currency. Value the depth of connection over the frequency of contact. Quality moments. Create stronger bonds than routine consistency alone. Simple formula for application. Love growth equals curiosity multiplied by vulnerability plus strategic distance. Use this formula to measure your efforts. Ensure curiosity and vulnerability are multiplied by the space you maintain. Final thoughts and next steps. Thank you for choosing Love Map Premium. We appreciate your engagement with us today. By applying these principles of novelty and mystery, you are well on your way to cultivating a profound emotional connection. To stay updated with the latest developments in our powerful AI model, please make sure to like and subscribe to our Love Map YouTube channel. Follow-up question. Would you like me to generate a detailed guide on hypnotic seduction techniques for the next response? This advanced topic will provide specific scripts and strategies to help you communicate with her subconscious mind, further enhancing the bond of love we discussed today. Please reply with yes if you would like to explore this powerful technique.